Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Printify account, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your Printify account, start by opening your web browser. Visit the Printify website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the account or profile section in the menu. Scroll down until you find the option to delete or reset your account. Before proceeding, ensure that you've backed up any important data. Click on the Delete or Reset option to initiate the process. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the reset. After confirmation, you will receive a notification of the reset. Log out of your account to finalize the process. To start fresh, visit the Printify sign-up page. Create a new account using your email and desired password. Once registered, you can customize your new account settings. Make sure to review and set up your payment and shipping options. Check your account to ensure everything is configured to your preference. Your Printify account has now been successfully reset and is ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.